Good morning, everyone. Let's see what happening today. Today, pre-market, we have a lot of templates, make a lot of money pre-market. We have template make $1,000, 720, 420. So it's a nice pre-market template today. So we'll see what's happening today. Also template 7, make profit today. Template 9, all this pre-market. Okay. Come on. A little bit slow. Okay. Already. So I just want to share the result of template 7. And by the way, I start testing all these templates since January 14. So almost we have like until Friday and be almost now a month exactly. So the result for template 7 and 9, it is unbelievably good. Like it's perfect. I'll show you the result. Keep in mind there is some templates still new, like template 15, since already 4 days, and it already make almost $4,000. But template 7, showing now since January 14. Okay, let's do it again. Okay, performance, January 14, and let's pick template 7. That's the result of template 7. That's 2.41 profit factor. That's crazy. See, 4,500 profit, $719. Which is, if you're trading 50K account, you already pass it, and you're already now trading your P account, and you're already up almost $1,500 in your P account. If you're trading this on 50K account, because 50 account, most of them is profit 3 grand. And if you look at the losing days, yesterday was losing, but look at the losing day. 290, 209, 172, $35, 181. The highest day was $300, 58, 361. That's the losing. This template didn't experience any big losses. Even the winner is very consistent. Like some days you have like $1,000, some days you have $200, some days where you have $600. It's very consistent. Also, we have template 9. Template 9, less profit, less drawdown. So it's $600 drawdown, less than the template 9, less profit for sure. But the template 9 has something really I like about template 9 is if you can see there is no spike in the profit. Like template 7, you see some days $1,000, some days $300, some days $600. If you see template 7, it's almost consistent. Like the only spike 600, 300, 300, 300, 300, 300, 500, 300, 600. It is very consistent between 600 and 300, which is In case of prop firms, they cannot tell you anything about it because it is a very consistent result. There is no spike. Okay? So either one, template 7, template 9, are very, very profitable for the 50K account. Very profitable, very consistent. You can run both of them on 2 different accounts and see which one you like more, and you can continue with it. But I would say, trade both on separate accounts, separate 50K accounts. And also, we're now testing also the template 15, which is a little bit high drawdown, but look at the result. And this result for how many days? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. In 6 days, it already make almost $3,600. So this one could be good for higher account sizing. We'll see by the end of the month, but it's very promising. Template 14, yeah, 13, good. We also have, one second here, template 9 250K account, also not bad. Keep in mind we're testing also for like almost 5 days now. And we have template 5 to 1, we just started yesterday. This one is just brand new template. So like I said, we have a lot of templates to try. I have some trial here. This one make $8 grand to some drawdown for 3 weeks. So this is a very good template to run in a big account size. And by the way, all these templates, no interfere whatsoever. You just let them run. And by the way, there's markets or there's some trades, some templates already in the trade right now. They are long, some of them. Yeah, they are long now, pre-market. And we'll see what happens. We have already 1 minute until market open. We'll see. Almost 1 minute to market open. Oh yeah. Market is open now. We'll see if you have any trades. I'm so excited, guys, for Alpha A Plus. So excited, and I can't wait to, see all the results for all the traders. They actually make money out of this system because it is by far the most advanced system I ever made, and I didn't see anything like it in the market ever. So please, if you have Alpha A Plus, share your success result, share it with us, because we need to know, we need to share it with other peers so they know actually it's actually working. And again, this result, it is not backtesting, it's real trades, real life trading. And you guys can see I'm trading live every day with you on YouTube, so there is no backtesting or any hypothetical result. It is real trades. We'll see. Just make sure all of them are running. Yeah. Keep in mind, all this template, we are using ATM template. So we are not using the system itself, stop loss and target. We're using ATM. Because ATM, we can control it more. We can adjust it, we can modify it, we can optimize it. So, and you can make your own ATM too. You can, make your own, test it with different markets. You don't have to be NQ or MNQ. You can test ES, crude oil. But I highly suggest when you take the system, just take the templates already making money and make money from this. Do not confuse yourself with another stuff until you make money. Then you can backtest other templates if you want to add, if you want trade crude oil or RTY or ES, whatever you want to trade, you can back test it and see, and forward testing as well. We'll see. If you guys have any question, please shoot me a message on YouTube. I will answer the question. Any questions? Very slow open this morning, very slow. Market's pushing downside now. Really excited to try these templates, and I'm also wondering if you have any upcoming sales. What do you mean upcoming sales? What do you mean sales? Do you mean promotion, you mean? Yeah, we open now a monthly subscription. And this month subscription also has a 5 days trail. And we have now monthly subscription, we have 6 month subscription, and we have the lifetime. So I'm gonna send you the monthly subscription if you want to, but keep in mind, if you have any trails with us before, you're not gonna have the monthly subscription with 5 days trail. You already have to get the full monthly. If this is your first time, you will be able to get the 5 days trail. So you're not gonna be charged anything until 5 days. So we're gonna have access to the system for 5 days, and after the 5 days, you will be charged the amount, which is $279 a month with 5 days. I'm gonna send you the link now, and you can cancel anytime. So if within the 5 days, if you decided you don't want to, you want to continue, you can cancel. You're not gonna be charged. Okay. So here is the link for the monthly subscription. As you can see, it shows total at the end, 0. So you're not gonna pay anything today. You give you 5 days access. Well, it's a monthly access, but you have 5 days without any charge. After 5 days, if you didn't cancel, it will charge you the monthly, and then it will renew monthly again, and there is no commitment. You can cancel anytime, no contract or anything like that. And also we have the 6-month subscription. So monthly $297, and then we have now that we already opened also the annual subscription, and we have 6-month subscription. So 6-month subscription is going to be $523 every 6 months, which is very good. A lot of saving for you if you choose a 6-month subscription. The reason we opened the monthly and 6-month subscription, because this system is huge. It costs us a lot of money to make, a lot of efforts. So when you set it a lifetime, it's almost $5,000 lifetime access. So not everyone have this amount, kind of capital to start. $5,000 is $4,997, so almost $5,000 for lifetime. So that's why we make this affordable pricing and monthly and 6 months, so you can try it for months too, or you can keep paying monthly if you want. But you know, in the long term or the long run, if you have you want to invest in this money and own the system for life, you can pay the lifetime access, and you're gonna have it for 2 machines for life with any updates. Just pushing down now. No trades on the open, right? No trades. There is one trade at the pre-open. Some template they take the pre-open market, but no trade at the open. Keep in mind, the template 7, 13, 14, 9, they're using the EME slab filter. The manual one I'm using now, it doesn't use the EME slab. There is no filter here. the template 7, 9, most of the template running pre-market using MA slot. So it would be different trades because MA slot is more conservative. And you're already gonna have all this template in your machine anyway. You already have all of them, so you shouldn't need to worry about it. But and again, you don't need to trade manual. The what I'm doing now, you don't need to do it. You don't have to whatsoever. You don't need. I mean, you can just run any templates, 7 or 9 or any template you want in an account, and it will trade by itself. You don't need to worry about it. Just make sure. This is very important. I'm gonna repeat this again. Make sure you go to tools, settings, trading, you go down here and auto close position, you enable it and you click all instruments and you choose the time. For me it's 4 p.m. because I'm central. This machine is central, the VPS. You can make it 5 p.m. if you are Eastern. Why? Because sometimes system will take trades like 5 minutes before market close, and if there is a big spike in the market, which sometimes happen, sometimes it missed the stop loss, anything happens, so your trade will be still running after market close, and this will case your account to be closed if you're doing evaluation or PA. So if you do that, Ninja Trader will flat all your position and it will cancel all the strategy. Everything will be unchecked. So in this scenario, you have to open your VPS after market close. I would just say workspace, restart your Ninja Trader, open it and close it again, and then enable your strategy. That's it. And if you want to do extra work, you can also at the market open like 10 minutes before, or if you're trading template 7, which you're running from 5 a.m. Eastern, just before you sleep, make sure it's running, everything is good, and then you just go sleep. Don't worry about it. So it's like 5 minutes a day. Check out. That's it. That's all you need to do. And by the way, I don't suggest guys anyone buy any account from Epix whatsoever. Epix now starting, declining a lot of payments, closing accounts for no reason. They make this stupid thing. If you have a P account and you're trading a bot out of the box, you're not gonna be able to pay you, which is stupid. You know what I mean? And how do you know it's a bot or not? Yeah, show me your trading log. You ask someone to actually open a camera, screen share, and see him taking trades for a week. That's actually stupid. So Epix is a waste of money, waste of time. There's a lot of firms out there. Keep in mind also, we now have Fund to Go with a new frame now, which is going to be assigned to your prop firm account. Just wait for it. It's going to be booming. Nobody did this before. But for now, just try to find a prop firm that actually pay, and the rules of this firm is rules reasonable, right? So make your homework. There's a lot of prop firm out there. Do your homework, do your research, and find the one that actually pay you. And just stay tuned for the Fund to Go new approach. You will be surprised. Very choppy open. Yeah, yeah. Epics is, like I said, it's waste of time. They are not. They will be closing very soon, by the way. I'm 100% sure. Because here's the thing. Let's be realistic now. What is the prop? What is the prop firm paying from? Like when they pay you, actually, where do you pay from? They are not copying your trades. Yeah. Yeah, Fund2Go is our company. It's called Fund2Go. So the way we make Fund2Go, we made it in a different way. So you can call it prop firm, but it's not prop firm in the original mean. So Fund2Go is a way to make extra money from your existing account. So it's not an account, it's a tier. So let's say you have evaluation account or P account from X company. Regardless of this account size, 50K, 100, 1 million, doesn't matter. You go to Fund2Go, you pick a tier. We have three different tiers. This tier, each one of them has different risk parameters. There is no daily drawdown, there is no live drawdown, it's only max daily loss. And there is a threshold to reach. So if you, and then you link your existing account with very easy tool. We have a tool called Fund2Go Guardian tool. You link it to your existing account. Either it could be P account, evaluation, SIM account, it doesn't matter. And by the way, evaluation firm will not know about this. It's very between you and Fund2Go. Nobody will know, and even they know, they don't care because you get paid anyway. And you keep training your account normally, and if you didn't hit the max daily loss in this tier, and if you pass the threshold, you will get paid 80% from the profit within like twice a month. And also they have something called credit system. So each winning trade it's gonna give you money in your credit, and each losing trade, it will deduct money from your credit. It's a different way of making money. So even if you didn't reach the threshold, you can still make money from credit while you are trading your account. So you are not losing anything, you are not opening a new account. It's the same account, same everything, but you just link it. And once you link it, Fund2Go will monitor this account 24/7, and you will get paid twice. So you will get paid from the original prop firm, and you will get paid from Fund2Go. It's a very unique approach. Some people use it with simulation account. You said, you know what, I don't want to trade evaluation account or PA. I just want to create new simulation account, Ninja Trader, every 2 weeks, and create a new account, name it Fund2Go, whatever, and link it to Fund2Go. You can do that. You can. But if you wanna make like duplicate or actually triple your income, you can trade it with evaluation account or P account. You get paid from your prop firm, you get paid from Fund2Go, from the credit and from the profit threshold. Right? That's the idea here. So nobody done this before. This is a very unique approach. And the account setup takes you like 5 minutes because you don't need to have a credential, there is no connection, there is nothing. All you need to do, download the Fund2Go Guardian, link your account, and you're good to go. That's it. You got it? Just wait, there's an email going to be sent out most likely this week, and there's a lot of information going to be released about Fund2Go. And like I said, it's a very unique way of So let me back to a question of from where the prop firm pay you. Okay, they pay you from the subscription. That's it, right? So if most of them fail, so they try paying more and more and more and more, and then they get failed. But here's the thing. This industry or this prop firm environment has been around for almost now since COVID. Before COVID, actually. Top Step was since almost 2019, 2018, something like that. Let's say 6-7 years. But this booming since COVID, since 6 years now. Yes, this prop firm industry is bring a lot of new traders to the market for the last 6 years, a lot, way more than what was before, because it's cheaper. You can if you trade future, you need money. Actually, you need to have at least like $5-6 grand to open a trade micro, and before that there was no micro. So if you trade E-mini, the margin for one E-mini NQ is $1,000. So can you believe? So if you want to trade futures, you need minimum 20K, minimum, and this is not enough, by the way. So when the prop firm opened, now a lot of traders came with no cash. They just, I would say, gambling. It's easy money, blah blah blah, and it's because it's not realistic. Most traders not disciplined enough. They have no idea what trading is, so they keep trading. They keep buying account, losing account, and then they give up. So now, I would say 60 to 65% from traders join the market since COVID are gone, because they already give up. They tried for a year and two. They spend a lot of money on P account, on evaluation account. Nothing works, just waste of money, and then they give up. Some of them give up trading for good. Some of them go trade options or anything, or forex, or anyway, they're gone. So the market now has a gap. Now, prop firm, especially Apex, because it's the biggest company now making money. Yeah, thanks, man. So, because there is a big gap, right? I keep talking about this, but I saw the first video announced by Apex founder. He was recording this video in his office, and he was presenting what Apex is in a broken fucking board. That's how broke he was. In a broken board. And he was, this Apex, I make a lot of money from Lilo because he was dealing before. I open a new account, blah, 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 some bullshit. Go buy yourself a board, man, if you make this money. So once I see this video, I say this guy's fucking fake. But he, to be honest, he did a good job. He's very, I would say he's very smart. So he take this company to the next level. So a lot of traders came. He makes millions of money every year, by the way, from this firm. But now what happened now is the traders who already buy accounts from him reduce significantly. Because now the one of the biggest way the prop firm make money, if you buy more than one account, that is the goal here. So they don't want you to buy one account. They want you to buy 5, 6, 10 accounts, and they want you to trade big. That's why they said you can pass in one day. So you can trade big, so you can lose your account and buy more. That's the goal. Now, not only the amount of trader reduced significantly, even the trader in the market now, they are wise enough now to not buy 20 accounts. No buy 20 accounts now. No one, this maybe still, but not like before. I knew some people personally, they used to buy 10, 20 accounts a day. Believe it or not. A day. So if they save all this money and they open a personal account, they could make money. So now do you have a problem? Company like Apex, there is no cash flow, is reduced big time. So how are you going to pay them? How are you going to pay you? There is no other way. So you have to make any excuse to not pay you. They come up with any idea, anything not to pay you. What other company did, which is, I forgot the names, there's a lot of them now doing this framework, which is make more sense. Said okay, and this is also one of the approaches fund to go is gonna go through, by the way. If you training 150K account with me, I would say 100K account, right? And you withdraw from me 3 times in a row. 3 times in a row you withdraw money. Okay? Now you are a good trader, and now you're gonna make me lose money. That's not gonna happen. So now your P account will be closed. It's not your option. It will be closed. And you have only one option with me is I'm gonna open live account for you equal to 10% from your account you trade, which is, and instead of 100K, it's gonna be 10K account, because they're not gonna open 100K account for each trader. It's not gonna happen. 10K account, and they're gonna give you a limit contracts to trade, daily max loss, and you're gonna have a profit share with them, 70-30%, and this is not option. That's it. And this is make more sense, to be honest, because the way the prop firm in the beginning, yes, the way the idea of prop firm in the beginning, it was actually, this is the purpose of it. This was the purpose, is if I am funding firm, I have money, and I want traders make money with me, I want to test them first. I want to see if they can make money or not. So I want to give them something to trade with, test them for a couple of months. If they are good, let's go, open account, trade, make money. And then by the time they switch it from this approach to a different gambling thing, which is this $30 per account, this bullshit. So they can make money from subscription. Now everyone losing now. So the market now is going towards this approach again, because everyone give up now. Everyone give up. I can't do this anymore. And I see a lot of traders now sending me a message, I want to trade live money, which is I prefer, by the way. If you ask me, do you prefer funding or funding? I prefer live money. If you have money, trade live, 100%. Open, even if you have $2,000, open $2,000, trade 2 micros with template 7. You're gonna make at least $1,000 a month. It's your money. But if you wanna invest that money now for something you don't know, you can actually trade it with any prop firm that actually have this path of they will open account for you. Because even they open a 10K account for you, you trade like 5-6 micros. That's beautiful. You're gonna make $5,000 a month, by the way. Which is, this is the goal. So when you try to find a prop firm, try to find a prop firm that actually will open a live account for you. Because if they are not saying this clearly, they will not pay you. Period. They will make anything happen to not pay you. That's it. And then when you open the live account with them, make money, then open your own account and trade with your account. You don't need anyone else, just you and your machine, and that's it. Nobody control you. You don't request any money. You just call your broker, send me money in account tomorrow morning. They will send it. That's it. The whole trade so far. And also, one more thing. Before you buy account from any company, you have to email them I'm gonna buy account, and I'm trading automated system. Okay, this automated system is very consistent. I love it. It's my system. Do you guys allow trading systems? If they said yes, take a screenshot, save this email, and keep it for later. If they say no, don't buy. So don't waste your time in evaluation, and then you get in a P account, you trade Alpha A Plus, and you say, no man, this is, I don't like, because you're making so much money. No, I only trade like manual, like Apex does. So you have to make sure. So send us an email for them first before you buy an account. And also, if you have any question, if you go to the site and you see anything unclear about the payment, about, what is the rules, ask any question. Be clear. Wait for the reply, get the reply, take a screenshot, save it, then buy an account. Come on, man, I'm bored now. Is it a trade, please? Do you have any question, guys, about the alpha system? Anything you want to talk about? Also, I want to talk about one of the things, Alpha A Plus. People say, okay, market structure change. Maybe Alpha A Plus is going to work now, maybe it's going to work after like a month or maybe a year. I disagree. Why? Because Alpha A Plus, if you guys know, the way we traded manually before, because actually the system is made of my own strategy. I used trading for years. So I didn't just invent it. I used to trade this manual for years. And it never changed. Because if you guys are familiar with S1, S2, S3, S4, it's actually signal coming combined of volume, supply and demand zones, breakouts, and reversals. So what is the market in general? What is moving the market? What is trading? What is trading in general? Trading is buying and selling or buying for what? For price action. For what? For price levels. So if you have a strategy that remains in the simple as price levels and price action, breakout of price levels, this will not ever change because there's a trading, right? If there is a price level on certain level for the last a couple of days, and this price level show interest for buyers or sellers, this behavior will not change because who move the market? Humans or bots, but who make the bots? Humans. So it's actually humans, right? But if you make your strategy for indicators, you're using indicators, which is lagging. Most indicators are lagging, by the way. Most, not all of them, lagging. And some of them is gonna work now, some of them might work in the future, blah blah blah. All this, if you now look at the indicator list in NinjaTrader, there's a lot of them. A lot of them. I didn't even know what is that. Like most of them, I don't know what is that. But I'll move with average, blah blah blah. Order flow, it's okay on the flow. But all of that is lagging indicator, lagging. But because alpha A plus, when you use supply and demand areas, we use them in two ways, either for breakout or reversal. So either way we are in. So if you have an area here, let's say this area, that's why alpha A plus is very powerful. If you have an area here, right, and the market go touch the area, touch the area, touch the area, let's say this, right, and didn't break it, the area didn't break it, so there is no breakout, then it go touch it and then reverse it. So either it's gonna go up, we will up. If the market go up, but this is not a trade, I'm just making an example because there is a lot of things. We have also volume confirmation. We have a lot of stuff inside, so it's not just I have an area and then if breakout go along. No, it's a lot of confirmation. But like I'm saying, if it's breaks, we will go. If it's reversal, we will go. Confirm it with the volume, and also current day high and low, previous day high and low. So we alpha A plus is mainly with levels, trading on levels combined with price action, volume. That's why it's so powerful. It will never be changed. It will never reach the point, oh man, it's not gonna work. It will work. There is no way. And if you put this AI plus system on any market, it doesn't matter which market, futures, stocks, options, forex, it will do the same result because it is the same concept. It's a price levels, all areas with volume. That's the point. Come on, Mr. Price levels. Nice push down this morning. Already. That's a big push downside. Again, for me, nothing beat alpha A plus and scalpel X. Yeah. If you have something get better result than this, man, let me know. But don't. Okay, I'm not talking about 1 day or 2 days. Just give me something that have this consistent result. And by the way, I don't suggest when you have the system, you just open it and stare at the chart. Honestly, just run the template 7 or template 9 on account and let it go by itself and do your business. Do your business. You don't need to. Either if you want to trade manual like me, you can trade manual. Like in this and manual this, or I'm trading manual because I like trading. Also, it's for training. So what I'm doing is I get the system take the trade. And then instead of the system moving the stop loss, I move it manually with the market structure for different account. This is something I do for fun. You don't have to do it. Still, yeah. Still no trades. You want a second, guys? Hello. So guys, about that, that's a big push downside and still no trades. That's fine. Yeah. In my, for the last 3 months, I experienced actually 3 days, no trade at all. Like the morning session, there was no trades, just 3 trades, 3 days. But again, all the templates are running from market open, market close, and most of them are running from 5 a.m. Eastern until market close. So it's not like a morning session thing. It is the whole day. So that's why I don't like, if you don't wanna trade manual or whatever, just you need to watch it. Just put it in a chart in your strategy here and just leave it, and it will do the job for you. Okay. I'll be silent for a moment with some work in the background. If you have any questions, just leave in the chat and I will monitor the trade. If any trade happen, I will be back. Okay. Hello. You guys can hear me? Do you guys can hear me? Yeah, you will. 1 second. Hold on.